constantly chasing money, success, achievements, degrees, which is absolutely right at that place. Materialistic होना बुरी बात नहीं है, but at the same time you should have to be human also. You have to be kind also. You have to have love as an emotion. You have to have मैत्री as an emotion, करुणा as an emotion. बहुत important चीजें हैं.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. ये मैं नहीं, अल्बर्ट सीजर ने कहा.
सपने देखना काफी नहीं होता, उसे डायरेक्शन देनी पड़ती है, और वो डायरेक्शन आपको खुद जबरदस्ती करने की जरूरत नहीं. जिंदगी आपको मौके देगी, जिंदगी आपको दिखाएगी कि वो रास्ता कौन सा है जो सिर्फ आपके लिए बना है. और जब वो रास्ता दिख जाए और फिर दुनिया आपसे कहे क्या ही बोलती रहती है ये, क्या ही बोलता रहता है ये, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. किसी की मत सुनना. मैं आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ क्योंकि मैंने कभी किसी की नहीं सुनी. उस आवाज को सुनी है जो मुझे हर पल हिम्मत देती है कि हाँ, जब सामने से कोई कहता है कि ये मुमकिन ही नहीं है, तो वो बुरा नहीं सोच रहा आपके लिए. वो सिर्फ इतना कह रहा है कि वो उससे नहीं होगा. But that does not mean you can't do it. You understand?
Believe in yourself. When you think you can't do this, or you're just not good at it, is the time you need to believe in yourself the most. The way you look at yourself is the way the world will look at you. You can't change people's opinions. I'm pretty sure 50% of you might not agree with what I say or might not like me. But that does not change what I think about myself, do I? I come off as a very strong, confident woman. I know exactly what I get to the table, and that will never change. So your perspective about me might change or might not change, but it will never affect what I think about myself. And that's how you gain confidence. It's your life, it's your hair, it's your body. How you feel about yourself is what matters. Are you feeling healthy? Are you feeling pretty? Are you feeling confident is up to you. But the minute you give that power to somebody is when you know it's not going the way you want.